Welcome to the trailer of our film You Burn Me. In Spanish, Tú me abrasas. My name is Matías Piñeiro, and I am the director of the film. I recently shot this video in one of our main locations in Buenos Aires to evoke some of the shots of the film, which I'm inviting you now to come see. Here are Gabi, Saidón, and María Villar, actors in the film. They play the poet Sappho and the nymph Britomart in our adaptation of the chapter Seafoam from the book Dialogues with Leucó by Italian writer Cesare Pavese. The film was shot in Buenos Aires, New York, Torino, Athens, the island of Syros, Lima, and San Sebastián. In 60mm with a Bolex camera. The film adapts the conversation between these two characters that both met their deaths in a jump from a cliff to the sea.
Yo quise morir. Si no puedo ser Safo, prefiero ser nada.
Entonces, aceptás el destino.
No lo acepto. Lo soy. Nadie lo acepta.
Excepto nosotras.
But the film not only adapts the text, it also adapts its footnotes. It tries to imagine how cinema can relate to footnotes. So if you're curious to see how bacteria connects to suicide, Helen of Troy to Seafoam, apples to multilingual translation, and poetry to our survival in the future, we invite you to join us in the cinema to see You Burn Me.